lovelies. I know it's been a long time, but I'm finally back with another video. And actually, I also have another video after this one's been up for like a few days at least or something that I've already done, but I still need to edit. But so at least I have some content coming back for you. I'm sorry it's been a while. I was on vacation this past week from work, so that's why I finally got some videos done. So I hope you enjoy this video today. It's just going to be a quick little kitchen clean with me. And yeah, let's just get to it and enjoy the video.
Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes.
Look,
I'm not your baby.
knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider when I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walk on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bet I could still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk
My dishwasher was giving me issues again. We're eventually gonna have to get a new one, but now that has to wait because the other day, or actually just yesterday, when I went to go and use my washer broke on me. Like it made it came up AE6, but then on the code thing, but then it also like had an electrical smell for it, so just turned it off. My clothes are locked in the door right now. I'm still trying to figure out how to unlock the door to my washer to at least get those out. But yes, now we're going to be looking for a new washer. So the dishwasher will have to wait because at least I can still wash my dishes by hand, but kind of need something to wash my clothes with.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
They had a 4th of July parade in the little town where I was born and raised for like 15 years of my life, but my grandma still lives there, so we go there every year for the 4th of July for the parade. So of course I took my daughter this year since they didn't have it last year because of COVID, but they did have it this year, so she got a bunch of candy thrown at her. So that's just me putting some of the candy into a bowl so I can at least get some of it out of the bag that we had.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're bringing down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, 'cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. To the break of dawn. You can't keep me in a cage made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say. I'm not buying no mirage of suburban life when there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on earth and the summer of love while you're sleeping on pills through the war. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising.
Alright, like I said, this was a short little video, so now we have reached the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this is your first time here, I hope you will comment down below or like or even subscribe to my channel. But I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!